Hello everyone, my name is Abhijit Sarkar and I'm co-founder of Solutions for Nonprofit. We keep on sharing videos to spread awareness about different products and services through which nonprofit organizations across India can benefit. And our last video was on developing a robust accounting systems for nonprofits across India. And we had talked about the fact that our next video will be on the importance of using accounting softwares, which can ensure that all your transactions during any given year is recorded effectively. So as promised, we will be sharing details about importance of accounting softwares in this video and giving a small demo of one of the accounting software which you can consider in using in the future. So coming to the benefits of using accounting softwares, I think the first and foremost benefit of using accounting software is preservation of all bills, invoices, and donation receipts. And I think I had already reiterated in our last video also that an NGO startup cannot afford to lose any of the financial data. And this is where an accounting software helps you in preserving all your bills, invoices, and all the transactions that you make in an accounting year. The other challenge that an NGO startup in its accounting process faces is basically syncing all the financial data because there are, as the modes of payments are expanding, when we are using payment gateways, we are also using different wallets. It is a little difficult to integrate all that data and share it with the accounts department or the concerned people who are preparing our financial statements. So an accounting software, using an accounting software ensures that we can record all the data, whether it's our daily cash transaction or whether it is a transaction through our bank. And we can, at the end of it, reconcile all our bank statements, statements of our payment wallets, and other records. In terms of the overall vision of using an accounting software is definitely preparation of financial statements and filing of our income tax returns. So basically it streamlines all the accounting processes and also streamlines the entire tax filing process. Now, an NGO startup is obviously, the plans of an NGO startup is to expand, to move to different locations. And as the number of transactions in your organization increases, you will understand that handling something as basic as payroll becomes quite complicated. So I think using an accounting software really benefits your organization, and you can streamline things like accounting transaction, your payroll, and all your financial data. Last but not the least, I think if you are not streamlining your process, if you're not streamlining your accounts and your audit process, then at the end of the financial year, you will be spending a lot of time in scanning through documents, in searching documents, and reconciling or finding the reasons of certain transaction, because you cannot rely on your memory since there are so many other things that you are already is in your mind and you have to take care of the same. So basically an accounting software will ensure that you use your resources properly. If there is a designated person who's been given the responsibility, probably on a part-time basis, to enter all the financial data at one place, then an accounting software gives you the right sort of a platform to ensure the same. Now, as promised, that we will be sharing with you a short demo of one of the accounting software. So here we are, and the demo that we are looking to share with you is for this website, that is beerbook.com. So you can just log on to beerbook.com. And this default page will open up in front of you. And here on the right side of the page, you can see that there is a username which is appearing So basically we had created a predefined login, and anyone can log into this. So if you just want to try your hands and see how the dashboard would look like, you can go ahead and do the same by creating your login, and we will go to access your beer book. So this sort of a page will open up, and this is a dashboard, and you can see there are different tabs which you can see at the top of your screen. So there's the dashboard, there is accounts, contacts, reports, and settings. So we can go to contact section, and here we can see all the options. So we can select all, we can select customers, vendors, and salesperson. So just to show you how this system works, we can go to the vendor section. And here, if there is a vendor to whom we are making payments, so we have to add the contact. So say, for instance, the name of the concerned person is Saurav Gupta, and the company name is Satvik Printers, right? So the name of the vendor is Satvik Printers, and this is the email ID. Okay, this is just a dummy phone number. You can enter the details of the PAN card details of the person also if you have the details. And I'll just write it as New Delhi. So this also gives an option of addresses, putting the shipping address. Say, for instance, the shipping address is the same. So I copy paste the same. So this also gives options like payment terms, credit limit, and all those details. And say, for instance, the amount which was paid was 500, or say 1000. So this gets saved, right? And now I can go to the account section and cash at bank. So there are some transactions which have already been made. So in terms of accounts, say, for instance, I select cash, the transaction type is invoice payment. The contact is Satvik Printers. Okay, sorry, I'll go to payment section. So payment cash. So bill payment, since it is a bill payment, and then contact details is Satvik Printers, and the total amount that needs to be that we had paid is 1000, and I can put a comment that expenses incurred on printing of brochures. Right, so we will just go and click OK. So you can see that this 1000 payment has been debited in our accounts. Okay, so the system already does it for us. And if we now go to our reporting section, and if you just want to look at the journal entry, right? There were some transactions which are already there. So if we just look at this particular transaction, so Satvik Printers, uh, in the accounts we have debited, and because that's a payment which has been made, right? And in addition to that, the other transactions also we can see that there has been a payment which have been made to Digital Solutions, right? And from ABC company, we have received 500 rupees. So probably that's a donation. So this gives a gist of all the transaction which we have made in a particular period. And you can see that from 31st October 2021, because obviously this is a dummy account, to 29th November, we have this is the period, but we can select the period, and it will again give us the option. So we can select this period, and in terms of downloading this option, we can see download it in a PDF. So we have the option of downloading it in the PDF and also sending it across to our concerned chartered accountant or accounts team. So this is the software. This is the basic functioning of the software. And through advanced settings and all, we can also invite other people in this software. So in the user and roles section, we can invite users. So someone in your accounts department, or probably in the chart in the concerned chartered accountant who takes care of your accounting, we can add them, and they can be on the same system. So what it will ensure is that our accounting software is also is in place. We are recording all entries through this software, and we are also inviting the concerned people who can use who are responsible for preparation of financial statements, and they can be added to this system. So this is a wonderful system which is in place. It's a wonderful accounting software. And if you feel that you are interested in knowing more about it, you can reach out to us at our email ID, which is info@solutionsfornonprofit.com. And you can also directly mail me at abhijit@solutionsfornonprofit.com. And in case you just want to talk on call, then I'm sharing my number. That's 740-986-1303. So these are the options which are available in terms of our communication. And based on the basis of your interest, we can hold a free demo session for you, and the concerned team from Bearbook will take you through the demo session. We will facilitate this process. And if you are interested, you can go ahead and sign up for this software. Another option is that in case you are in the process of developing an accounting system, in case you don't have an accounts team or a chartered accountant and you're looking to develop an accounting system, we have solutions for that as well. We can help you to connect with the qualified accounting firm or the chartered accountant, and they can actually take care of your yearly accounts or data and tax filing. So we can have those conversations also. And again, you need to reach at these email IDs and contact number to take this thing forward. So thank you for listening to me, and looking forward to interacting with you in our next video.